Good morning from National Weather Service Pocatello. This is your weather hazard briefing for Monday, December 26th. The key points for today, we do have areas of freezing fog this morning with visibility as low as a quarter mile, especially north of Idaho Falls and east toward the Wyoming border. An atmospheric river will arrive late tonight into tomorrow, so we're looking at moderate to heavy mix of rain and wet snow in the valleys with heavy wet mountain snow. The heaviest precipitation this week will occur tomorrow. And snowmelt and rainfall will create minor flooding concerns. A winter storm watch is in effect for the Wood River Valley and Stanley Basin, as well as the eastern and southeast highlands. And unsettled weather will continue through the remainder of December, with the next system moving in Friday and Saturday. Here's a current look at satellite imagery. Today, that ridge of high pressure will continue moving eastward, and you can see this low approaching the coast here, and that's what's going to bring us a steady stream of moisture throughout the week. Our weather risk outlook over the next several days. Again, we do have that patchy freezing fog creating major reduced visibility this morning, especially north and east of Idaho Falls. And tonight, that precipitation will reach the central mountains and continue to spread tomorrow to our eastern regions. So we are looking at moderate to heavy rain and snow for the eastern and southeast highlands, as well as the Sawtooth and Wood River areas, with light to heavy at times rain and snow elsewhere. Light snow and breezy conditions will continue into Wednesday, with snow also persisting through Friday. Here's a map of our watches, warnings, and advisories. So we do have that freezing fog advisory through noon today for these areas here. And the winter storm watch will be in effect this evening through tomorrow night. For our western zones here, we're looking at 10 to 20 plus inches above 6,500 feet, with 2 to 6 inches below 6,500 feet. And for our eastern zones here along the Wyoming border and Utah border, we're looking at 6 to 14 inches along ridge tops and below pass levels. In addition to that, we're looking at a mix of rain and snow in our valleys. High temperatures for today, pretty mild. We're looking at mid 30s to low 40s. And temperatures tomorrow, we will have some areas above freezing still. And for our highs, just a bit warmer, a lot of mid 30s to low to mid 40s again. Temperatures Wednesday will drop. Most areas for our lows will be right at or below freezing. And for our highs, they will reach into the mid 30s. So here's a look at our snowfall. It will start in the central mountains as early as tonight or during the overnight hours. And here's the progression through tomorrow, starting to spread further east and going into tomorrow night. And our rainfall amounts. Again, we will see that mix in with snow levels rising pretty high, even reaching above 7,000 feet. Rainfall for Tuesday. And winds will start to pick up with that system moving in. Tonight we could see gusts reaching above 40 miles per hour, beginning in the central mountains. And through tomorrow, overspreading further east and further south. So we'll start to see higher gusts in the South Hills area, lower Snake Plain, continuing to increase for tomorrow during the day. Could reach as high as 50 miles per hour. And they'll start to back off tomorrow night, and then by Wednesday morning, most of our winds will be in the 20 mile per hour or so range. All right, so just to summarize, we do have a lot of reduced visibility north and east of Idaho Falls with that freezing fog advisory in effect through noon today. The atmospheric river event will start late tonight into tomorrow, so we are looking at moderate to heavy rain and snow with heavy mountain snow. And the heaviest precipitation will occur tomorrow. And we will have flooding concerns with snow melt with those warming temperatures, as well as additional rainfall on top of that. The winter storm watch is in effect for the Wood River Valley and Stanley Basin, as well as the eastern and southeast highlands. And unsettled weather will continue through the remainder of the year, with our next system moving in Friday and Saturday. So it will be an active week for sure. Thank you so much for listening. Be safe out there when traveling this week. And if you do have any questions or comments or concerns, don't hesitate to email us or call us, and check us out on weather.gov for any additional information. Have a wonderful day.